July 3rd.
I did come in to help you and you're still in there.
Oh, Bentley, happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
July 3rd, happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Here's your gift. You get the GoPro for the day. Scariest thing I've ever
You're
said.
15, get to work.
Scariest thing I've ever said. You and Sawyer are in charge of, of the GoPro.
Do I have to?
Have a good day. Yes.
All right.
I don't know, they never really said I was qualified to start the video, but we're doing it anyways. So right now we're here in Pennacook, and we're hitting the gas station, getting the goodies for the day. And first job on the list today is a cemetery in Pittsfield. It's not the one we did the other day, so don't worry. But we'll pick you up when we get there.
But like, that's all that needs to be.
We had forgotten to show the GoPro / the YouTube the cemetery we just did, but it's pretty easy. It took us like 10 minutes. I feel like it was light work for the boys. You know, it was me and Bentley and Mr. Kleckner, but we call him Jake.
We call him.
But we're heading to the next one, and I guess we'll pick you up there. But yeah, that's it. What's up? Today, we just got back from the cemetery, and we're here at the Epsom Vet, and me and the boys here are about to get it done with the weed whackers, and then we're gonna have Joe on the mower, and yep, and after that, we're heading to the liquor store, and we're not drinking or anything. We're just going to mow. So, but we'll pick you up there, and this should be pretty good.
You want me to follow him and you can go and see what needs to be done out back? It's easier to stay right with everybody.
Honestly, if the three of us get this done out back, if we're all at once, it'll be pretty quick. Can you close that gate when you come out?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, thank you.
Hey, you ready to go around this perimeter too?
What, this one?
Yeah.
Nah. And I think he'll be done by the time you're done this. Because that's just around the edge.
Speed up at the trailer.
Yeah, sure.
Wait. We ain't gonna do this on the outside?
No. But I gotta hit a couple things up front, so I'll fill up, do that, and meet you at the trailer. Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
I never saw a Sawyer back here. I think Jake had to get gas.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I was doing the back.
Yeah.
Legit ran out on like the last strip of Sawyer's right there.
I saw you walking. I was like, well, he just ran out of gas or something.
Yeah, I feel bad, but at the same time, I'm the vet. I'm the oldest trimmer here. So I was like, I got most of it done, and Jake did good. He did most of the like big section. Or I think he did all like around where it needed to be trimmed. And then Sawyer did the walkways and helped me finish that last little strip. And then I hit over like the dumpster.
Yeah.
I did a dumpster sign and just all those little things
Liquor
over there.
store, and a couple
Little lawns. Dude, that went so fast with 3 people.
And if we do really blow through those, I may go to Lakeview
Yeah,
and
trim.
just mow the outside
yeah,
at
mow.
least.
Yeah.
And the bank.
Huh?
That song's a banger.
Yeah, no, I've been listening to that shit on repeat all day. Are we done?
Yeah.
Bet.
Dude, that's in my playlist.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Old Posty. So tough. What was that? You excited to be done or something?
Alright, we just finished Sunkook River Vet Clinic, whatever. You know, we've already got two accounts done. For noontime, we're heading to the third one, the liquor store, as I said earlier. And I don't really know where the fourth one is, but that's to be determined by the boss man. You know, cause I just work here. I just do what I, you know, I just weed whack. So, but anyways, so we'll pick you up after that, and yep. Out of string, bro.
You're good.
What should I do? You got it? Alright, bet. I don't know how to do this shit, but
Look in here. Point it up. And you can spin this. You gotta hold this part. Spin it till you see the hole. Right there. Then put the twine through.
Alright.
Sometimes you gotta kind of manipulate it.
So tight. Fuck. I got it. Are you filming this?
I think so. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Now look through this side, and you can see like if it's hitting the sidewalk. Hey, try to go like this.
Hold up. Bro.
Oh, look, go like this. Now pull this out so they're even. What's that? What's that like that?
I got you now.
And then do that till that comes in. And you can just...
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Just...
You can go, you can help me over at Aroma Joe's when I'm done this. Dude, that was beautiful.
Yeah, bro. Go.
Yeah. You wanna go around like those pipes and along the trees?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna hit around here and like around that sign. Alright.
Around like that fucking sign?
Yeah, I got that.
Alright, I'll do the pipes and I'll just follow the tree line.
Alright. Sounds good.
Yeah, bro. Yo, we finished?
Yep.
He's doing pretty good. Dummy for the mower guy.
Oh yeah.
Are you ripping?
Oh, watch out. Car's falling. Go.
Alright. So we just got done at Aroma Joe's in the liquor store. And pretty easy. Well, I mean it's pretty easy for me. I don't know about the other guys, but anyways.
I struggled.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
It's a tough life on the mower.
yeah, I don't know, because I never had a mower life, but just a trimmer here. And anyways, so we went over to Aroma Joe's and boss man got everybody a drink, which was really nice, appreciate it. And now we're heading to Chris Ledoux's cousin's house or something, I don't know. But that'll be cool. So we'll pick you up after that.
Alright YouTube, I found the boys and I took my GoPro back. I rested my arm this morning and I did some office work and the boys told me they got some great footage. So I'm not sure if I'm excited to check it out or if I'm scared. But I hope it was fun for them to, you know, just do something a little different. So I'll get some footage of them. Right here, we're in one of the cemeteries in Andover. They just finished monuments at another one in Andover. So I'll get some final clips and put this together. Then I'll get this uploaded for you. And then we're going to take off with a small little group to enjoy a birthday dinner with Benno tonight. And yeah, I guess that's it. I don't know what to say because I have no idea what's on this video. So we're gonna both be enjoying it together. We did get some fan mail, if you want to call it. I assume a get well card for Harvey. So we'll be sure to get an update from Harvey on Monday on how he's feeling and have him open that card and stuff. But all right, thanks for being here. We appreciate you so much. All right, Jake on the trimmer, making quick work of the hill. Sawyer, I think, just finished up the fence line. And then we got father and son cranking out the field. What a cool sight to see. Look at this kid. I guess his birthday present is he got to hop on the mower. He has been mowing some of our yard at home all summer and working on the hills and stuff, and he's been practicing every week so that he can be ready for the day that his dad said he could mow. So he's been using the big standers at home and he's been doing a great job. But it's been like 5 minutes, 10 minutes and they have this field done. So much faster when you split it in two. But all right, Jake assured me this is great footage and the kids were very creative. So I hope you all enjoy and we'll catch you next time, YouTube. Have a good holiday weekend and probably see you Monday. Take care. Peace.